Hello everyone, I would like to show you how to complete the assignment 4. So we have created the chatbot to book for the real estate showing in the previous assignment 3. Now in assignment 4 we're going to continue by enhancing or adding capability of our chatbot by adding some entity, and later we're going to add more action, including the power flow agent. Okay, this is the step. So first we're going to open the Copilot Studio. Okay, maybe I would like to explain to you the high overview of this. Okay, one moment, yeah. Yep. So I'm going to open in the other tab. Yeah. So what we're going to do is basically configure the scope of the variable. We're going to create some variable to store the email address, the name, yeah, and then also the choices, whether the user selected the correct information or enter the correct information. These are three variable. We're going to make the variable as a global variable, yeah, to be known, yeah. And then adding the message node, add the topic management node, add the condition node, add the question node, and then after that testing, yeah. Then continue again with creating the property type entity, yeah. So the property that available like apartment, flat, or condominium, yeah. And then after that yeah, after that then we're going to enter create the property to store the number of the bedrooms, and then after that use the entity to improve the Copilot. Yeah, okay. After that we're going to test again. Then the last part is to deploy the chatbot, publish, yeah, and then after that test through the public website. Okay, so let's start by navigating to the Copilot Studio. Here you go. Yeah, so go to the agents. I'm going to continue the agents that previously I have created, which is this, yeah, A3, real estate booking service. Okay, so I will move the instructions to the other screen. So this will make me faster in completing this. Okay, open the topics, and then after that click the A3, yeah, book the real estate showing. Okay, then after that click the test, yeah. Okay, after that in the select the topics, we're going to choose the customer detail. Yeah, okay, then we're going to assign the variables. In these variables, then we can choose this to be selected, yeah, here. So we want to use this variable, the three variables: details, correct, email address, and the name. to make this variable scope known in the other topics. Yeah. Okay. After that, don't forget to select the save button. Okay. After that, we're going to add the message node. Okay. So change the topics to the book real estate showing, and then add the plus icon. Yeah, so click the plus icon under the trigger node and choose to select the send a message. Okay, and then after that in the message you copy the message. Hi, I can help you with booking real estate property showing. Okay, then select save. Okay, let me enlarge a little bit the. Okay, yeah, so this one's bigger, better. Okay, after that, the next one is to add the topic management node. Select the plus icon under the message node, and then topic management, and then select the go to another topic. Then go to the customer details. Yeah, A3 customer details. After that, click save. Okay, next is to add the condition node. Click the plus button under the redirect. Yeah, click plus. After that, choose details correct variable. Yeah, so add a condition. Okay, so the variable is details correct, and then is equal to yes. Okay, and then save. So after the chatbot asking for the username and the email address, then it will populate and then ask whether this information is correct or not. Yeah, after that the user select yes, then it will go to this branch. Now continue by adding the question node. Yeah, so here add ask a question. Okay, which property do you want to see? That's the question. Select the user's entire response for the identify. Yeah, user entire response. Okay, and then in the variable, you're going to set the variable name to property name. Okay, change the variable property name. Okay, enter. Next, we're going to add the question nodes. Okay, yeah, so this one already, question node done already. So the slide showing you the screenshot. We continue by saving. Okay, then add more questions below here. Okay, sorry. Yep, here. So ask a question. Okay, the question is the date and time. Okay, and then date and time for the identify. Yeah, here, date and time. And then the user response will be saved to the date time variable name. Okay, yeah, so here you go. Date time already, then click save. Okay, then we're going to test. So test. After that, restart. Yeah. Okay, then after that, yeah, you need to enable debug mode, and we already have enabled by default here, so no need to worry. Okay, so enter the first prompt with the text. I want to book a real estate showing. This one. Okay, then you can see the reply asking for your name. Okay, what is your name? Ryan Suryanto. Okay, what is the email address? For example, t_ryan at Linton.com. Okay, so asking, are these details correct? Yes. Okay, which property do you want to see? Yeah, okay, so we enter the address. Here you go. Yeah. Okay, after that, click enter. Okay, so yeah, this is supposed to go into the another questions, which is the time, yeah, date and time, yeah, but it is go into the here. Okay, so we're going to fix a little bit to let this to answer the question tomorrow 10 a.m. yeah, so date and time. So if you go into the with stop the testing, then after that go to the topics again, yeah, then this one, yeah. Okay, so after it is redirect, then after that details, questions, which property do you want to see, user and the response, then after that save the user responses as property name, then we expect this to go into this next question, yeah. So what date and time do you want to see? Okay, yeah, and then stop here. But it was here, yeah. Okay, maybe let's test one more time, yeah, because what we expect is after this address, then it will not go back to here, yeah, but it will continue to this question. Okay, yeah, let's try again one more time. Okay, so I want to book a real estate showing. Okay, select the property and request a date and create a booking request from the customer. Yeah. So name John Doe, address john at, . com. . 2 at, . 2 . com. 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 Okay, all detail correct. Yes. Which property do you want to see? Yeah, maybe just select this. Okay, yeah, so we have the unexpected output. It should answer with the date and time. Yeah, okay, so let's fix this. Okay, everyone, just now I experienced the questions for asking the date and time didn't show up, so I tried to enable for the track between the topics, and then after that debug mode showing the variable, and looks like now it's okay. Yeah, it after we enter the property name, then it will it asks the date and time. Yeah, so I will try to repeat again. Yeah, so restart again the testing. Okay, so enter the name Ryan Suryanto. Oh, sorry, I want to book the real estate showing. Yeah, the first question is okay, here you go. Yeah, so I want to book a real estate showing, and then for the name we're going to enter the my name. So this go to this topics. Yeah, and then after that enter. Yeah, so populating the variable, the name. Yeah, and then after that the email address I populate. Okay, then after that is the detail correct? Yeah, this one summary, the card showing. Yeah. Okay, yes, yeah. Which property do you want to see? Then enter the property. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, correct now. Showing the what date and time do you want to see the property? Okay, then enter. So if you experience that after you enter the property location, it didn't go to this date and time, yeah, you just try a few times, and after sometimes then it will fix the problem itself. Yeah. I didn't actually do anything in troubleshooting, only enabling the track between the topics and showing the variable, and now it's okay. Yeah, so we stop here, and then after that we're going to add a few more capability in the chatbot. Yeah, okay, so stop, then setting. Yeah, then after that select the entity. We're going to create the property type entity. So add the entity, new entity, and then after that choose the yep. So from this entity we create the closed list. Yeah, closed list. Okay, so in the closed list we're going to add the entity. The name is a property type. Okay, so property type in the name. Yeah. Okay, property type, and then after that the description is the closed list. Yeah, okay, one moment. Closed list, select the closed list, property type in the name, and then after that in the list we're going to enter the apartment, and then condominium, and then the duplex, and the house. Okay, so we have added 4. Yeah. Okay, then we're going to add the synonym. So for the flat, for the apartment, we're going to add the synonym as a flat. Okay. Yeah, then done. For the condominium, we're going to add the townhouse. Okay, then for the house, we're going to add the single family home. Okay, done. Yeah, so we have added the synonym. For the duplex, we don't add the synonym. Okay, then after that, save it. Yeah. Okay. Then there is a smart matching, which is we're going to make it on. Yeah. Okay. Then we're going to create another another entity, which is the new entity. The name is for the using a regular expression for the bedrooms. Yeah, number of bedrooms. Okay, so choose regular expression. In the name, we add the number of bedrooms. Okay, after that, in the pattern, we use the number 1 to 5 bedrooms. Okay, then save and then close. Okay, we just created the 2 entities. The first is the property type, and the second is the number of the bedrooms. We're going to use this in later. Okay, so close the setting, and we're going to use the entities to improve the our chatbot, the Copilot. Yeah. So back to the topics, and then showing the topics book real estate showing, and then add between the condition and property question note. Yeah. Okay. So here conditions, and then property do you want to see between this. Yeah, you click the plus button, and then ask question. So the question is what type of property do you want to see? Okay, then after that we're going to use the entity. So choose the property type. Okay, yeah, then after that select options for the user. Check the display option for all 4 value. Okay, this one. Yeah. So we want to include the 4 of them in the selection. Okay, then after that the save user response, we're going to save into the variable name property type. Okay, then after that save it. Okay, then before that we add one more. Yeah, ask a question. How many bedrooms do you need? That's a question. And then in the identify, number of bedrooms. Okay, and then in the variable, we change to the number of bedrooms variable. Okay, then save it. Okay, so we have added the entities to populate the questions for the property type and the number of bedrooms. Okay, so we're going to configure for the authentication to deploy the Copilot. Yeah. So select setting in the upper right of the real estate booking service here. And then in the security, we would like to configure the authentication. Okay. Then after that, choose the no authentication. So everyone can open. Save it. Yeah. Okay. There are some warning. We just ignore it. After that, then we close. Now we are ready to do the testing after saving completed. Yeah, so restart again. Now I answer, yeah, or type the I want to book a property. After that, continue, yeah, by provide the name. Okay, then after that, the email address. And then the confirmation, correct. Yeah, yes. What type of property? Now you can select, yeah. Okay, I want to see the condominium. How many bedrooms? 3, yeah. Then answer. Which property do you want to see? Yeah, so we put the just now the address of the property. Example is the one that 555, yeah, 555 Oak Lane, Denver. Like this, for example. Yeah, enter. Yeah. Okay, then yeah, asking what date and time. Okay, tomorrow 10 a.m. So we have seen we have added the two entities, the property type and also the number of bedrooms. Yeah. Okay, so go back again to the cycle. Yeah, repeat again. Okay, the last part for the demonstration is basically we're going to publish this to the public website. Yeah. Okay, how to do that is click the publish, and then after that confirm, yeah, by clicking the publish. Okay, there are risks because the authentication is allow the anonymous, yeah, no authentications needed. So publish. Okay, so we wait for a while. It tell you can close if you have anything else to do, but since this is the last part of the demo, then I don't need. Yeah. Okay, so now after that, then we have the public or public accessible demo website. Yeah, so select the three dot next to the setting button here, and then we have the go to the demo website. So it will open the URL for our demo website. Okay, here you go. Yeah, so you can repeat again the step just now. I want to book a property, and then after that provide some informations to simulate the step that we just now completed. Yeah. Okay, then provide the name. Okay, then after that the email. Okay, This correct? Yes. What type of duplex, for example? Okay. How many bedrooms do you need? Okay, 3. Which property do you want to see? Okay, here you go. Yeah, date and time. Yeah, tomorrow 10 a.m. Okay, yeah, so this is the demo that we have completed. Yeah, then after that we're going to add some more functionality by adding the power automate. Yeah. But I just want to remind you that the step that I've done just now a bit tedious. Yeah, so you have to do it slowly, carefully, make sure that the instructions is completed carefully, correctly. But in case you have made a mistake, then you can always make a correction for that. Yeah, but this is the completion of the assignment 4, adding the enhancement, more functionality features to the chatbot using the Copilot Studio.